Now, what if you lived in Tokyo? A rich salaryman in the 90s, working hard until you hate your life. And one day, you see your colleague on his wildly tuned 240Z. The curves, the stance, the sound, when the engine cranks and comes to life. You loved cars once. You lost yourself. You sold yourself. For what? The very next day, you go to a dealership and get yourself an old Porsche 930 and you drive the Yokohama expressway at midnight, pushing yourself and going past all the traffic until you hear a screaming flat cylinder, black 930, a Ferrari Testarossa, a couple more cars flying past you as if you're standing still. Welcome to the Midnight Club. Born in the shadows of 1980s Tokyo, the Midnight Club ruled the expressways after dark, an elite underground brotherhood of speed that became one of the most respected and feared street racing crews in the world. Despite their infamy, the Midnight Club left behind almost no trace, no interviews, no public records, just a handful of grainy videos and magazine clippings. But they were real. The Midnight Club engineered machines that defied logic, cars capable of sustaining speeds over 200 miles per hour for more than 15 minutes at a stretch on Tokyo's Wangan expressway. You can't just join owning a fast car. You needed to be a flawless driver. Rumor has it, membership required vehicles that could cruise at 300 kilometers per hour at the baseline. New recruits had to attend every single meetup for an entire year. No absences allowed. They had to prove that they could race responsibly with etiquette, even at insane speeds. No exceptions. No compromises. The exact number of members remains unknown, estimated to be around 30 at its peak. Meetups were cryptically advertised in newspaper classifieds to avoid police attention, and Taika parking area became the unofficial temple. Once inside, secrecy was law. Members who leaked information or outsiders who tried to mimic the club, especially by using fake stickers, face severe consequences. There are stories of imposter cars being destroyed for wearing the Midnight Club crest. This was the golden age of Japanese tuning. Midnight Club cars were built with obsessive detail, reinforced chassis, weight reduction, aero kits for downforce, advanced cooling systems, fuel cell relocation, even bits of aviation technology. Most cars made between 400 to 600 horsepower. Some, like the legendary Blackbird, a heavily modified Porsche 911, rumored to push 700 horsepower, became icons of underground engineering. Its owner, an anonymous leader said to be a trained doctor, who reportedly spent over $2 million perfecting the machine. In '99, tragedy struck. A race involving Bozuzuku bikers escalated into a deadly accident, injuring innocent motorists and killing several riders. Though the Midnight Club wasn't directly responsible, the unwavering commitment to safety led them to disband immediately. The Midnight Club inspired the Midnight Club games, which pays homage to its use of kanji for Wangan. They also influenced the anime Wangan Midnight, featuring the Devil Z, based on the real S130Z. Some speculate that the legendary tuners like Smokey Nagata of Top Secret, Amasan of Ari Amamiya, and others were once members. Whether true or not, the spirit of the Midnight Club still roams the expressways. If you like the video, do hit the like button. If it ignited something deeper, consider subscribing, because legends like these deserve to be remembered.